Hello friends! Today I'll tell you how to quickly and inexpensively make an effective fly trap from a plastic bottle. All the ingredients for the bait can be found in almost any home. We will explore what makes this mixture so effective at attracting insects, how to assemble the trap itself, and where to place it for maximum results. Pour 200 ml of room temperature water into a container. It should be warm but not hot. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and stir thoroughly until completely dissolved. Next, add a tablespoon of any jam. Strawberry, raspberry, apricot will do. I used cherry. It gives the mixture a rich fruity aroma that flies can detect even from a distance. Then add a teaspoon of dry yeast. Let's look at the role of each component. Sugar is food for yeast. It is what starts fermentation. During fermentation, the yeast releases carbon dioxide and aromatic compounds, whose scent reminds insects of overripe fruit and rotting food scraps, their natural food source. Jam enhances the sweet fruity aroma of the bait, and warm water accelerates yeast activation and fermentation. Take a plastic bottle with a capacity of 1.5 to 2 liters. Make a small hole in it and cut off the top part, about a third of the bottle's total height. The result should look like the one I'm showing. Stir the mixture again and pour it into the bottom of the bottle. Remove the cap from the neck. Turn the top of the bottle upside down and insert it into the bottom, forming a funnel. Since the top section is slightly smaller in diameter, to prevent it from collapsing, I need to secure the structure with tape. First secure it on both sides. So you don't have to hold it with your hands. And then completely wrap the tape around the joint. This will prevent flies from escaping through the gap at the top and prevent the top section from collapsing. The principle is incredibly simple. Flies sense the bait's scent and fly in through the narrow neck, but they are much less successful at finding their way back out. In my case, the insects land directly on the surface of the liquid and drown. The trap is conveniently placed near windows, doors, or in the kitchen, next to the trash can. Basically anywhere flies are almost likely to appear. It is best to place the fly trap slightly away from areas where you usually spend time, so the smell will attract flies to the bottle. Over time the bait loses its potency, so it should be periodically refreshed. As a rule, 1 portion is enough for at least 3 days. And then use the number of flies you catch as a guide. This simple homemade fly trap helps significantly reduce the number of flies in your home or garden without the use of chemicals. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.